Guys, welcome to Moneyline tips. In today's video we have two odds for you for tomorrow game being the 3rd of August 2023, a Thursday. And then before we continue, I want to inform you using this Moneyline money management tool, which is called Masaniello software. If you use this software, you'll be able to beat the bookie at the end of the day, and this will help you to manage your portfolio by not allowing you to stake all your capital in one bet. This will help you to allocate a particular amount for you to stake on each day. Okay, our day, which was on the 31st of July, I started a new project on Masaniello. I believe some of you guys have watched that video, and the first day we won, which is what you can see here. The first day, which is day one, we won. Then yesterday, being the 4th of August, we lost our tip for that day. And then I think I've told you how to use this. So whenever you win, you come here and then you click win. Whenever you lose, you come here and click lose. Now today being the third day of this project, we won. So I'm gonna click win. So now I've clicked win. So the software allocated the amount that I will stake tomorrow game with, and with 197,395 naira. Remember that I used a 500,000 naira portfolio or capital to start this project. So whatever amount that you use in starting your own project, this software will tell you how much you stake in each day depending on the outcome of the event. Okay, moving on, I'll copy this amount and then I stake my today's game. Let's move on to today's prediction. Okay, all of our games are in the UEFA Conference League qualifier, where number one game, which is AGF Aarhus, is taking on Club Brugge, and our prediction is over 1.5 goals. And then the second game on our list is still in that UEFA Conference League, where MSK Zelena is taking on Gent, and our prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. Then the third game on our list is a game between Luzern versus Jugadens, and our prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. Then the third game on our list, or the fourth game on our list to make up our two odds, is a game between Donda versus Naspai Novella Akorea, and our prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. Okay, when you sum up these four matches together, it will give you a total of 2.08 odds. Okay, as you know, Bedwinner is our official bookmaker. So if you have not joined Bedwinner, I will leave the link in the comment section, and you have a guaranteed 100% sign up bonus. Then every Friday and Monday you get 50 and 100% bonus respectively. Okay, before we do that, let me log into my account and then stake this game. Then I'll also share you the booking code at the end of the Okay, let me show you the booking code, then I'll try and log into my account. The booking code for Bedwinner user is a V3M35. I read again, V3M35. I'll also share this booking code in the comment section, so you can go there and pick this code up and then load and play. I wish you good luck, and let me try and stake my own. I think the app is kind of can't sign in for now, but I've shared the booking code. You can go ahead and stake your own. I will also I stake my own and then share my best clip in our Telegram channel. If you want to join our VIP, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section for those that are interested in 5 to 20 hours on daily basis. As the new season comes up, we'll probably will improve and then do better. Okay, I think that is all for today. Congratulations once again for today's winners.